Tonight on the menu, pumpkin pies.
Mini pumpkin pies.
My bad. Mini pumpkin pies. Excuse me for getting it wrong. Don't hit me. I'm a vegan husband.
All right.
All right, so.
Right now we got your favorite tool.
Yep. She actually letting me use the mixer again. So we got the mixer. She's already got the flour in there. What else you got in there?
Just flour right now.
Okay, just the flour. And I'm gonna let her tell you what other stuff we got, and I'll just start pouring it in.
Okay. So in that little bitty ramekin thing,
Okay.
is got the salt, the nutmeg, the cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda. I'll have the precise measurements in the description.
Okay.
Okay, so you may want to start that so it starts blending up.
Okay.
The other one. So to that, you're going to add your 2 eggs.
My 2 eggs.
Yeah. Start letting that blend up. Your sugar and brown sugar. Your condensed milk. Alright, since you got that in there, now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
1 tablespoon.
The big one.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright. And the kicker, that's 1/4 cup of whiskey. Alright, and now we got 2 cups of, this is pumpkin puree. I will link the video for the pumpkin bread that we made, because at the beginning, if you watch it, you'll see how we made the pumpkin puree by baking our pumpkin. So go ahead, just add that in. And while you're doing that, I'm going to show you, this is my little muffin pan. I cheated. I bought the pumpkin, or the crust, just rolled it out, and then used a cup, and I'm just going to flatten these in to my things. Now I have the oven baking or preheating at 350. So, well, obviously I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. So while he's mixing that up, I'm pushing this in, and then we're gonna fill these up, and then we'll stick them in the oven, and I'll be back for that. So now you're just gonna fill the little cups up. That's what the mixture looks like. Well, this doesn't really puff up like cake, so you can fill these pretty much to the brim almost.
You say that, and then you get mad.
So we're gonna fill all these up. Stick them in the oven for 30 minutes. Our oven may cook these a little faster, so we'll keep an eye on them at 350. So 30 minutes.
The recommended time is 30 minutes.
Yes.
Again.
All right, so now that you got these all made up, we're gonna stick them in the oven for 30 minutes. There they go. Who's this video for, hun?
For my little nephew, Vincent.
Alright, so after it's done cooking, you're going to just pop them out and put them on the sheet and let them cool, and then you're going to serve them with ice cream. And they do puff up a little bit, but not a lot. As I said, they don't, but let's see what you think.
The ice cream don't want to stay. Mm.